welcome back to the D-Class build battle. As you saw in the last episode, we were hiding the car from you, and this is the reason why. We're down at Essex Wraps, who are going to be wrapping the car for us. It's going to be something quite exciting. We're about to go in, get a tour around and see where the car is at. Hello, you alright?
How you doing? Alright.
Not bad.
Essex Wraps.
Max.
I'll give you a quick tour around.
Yep.
Show you the
go see what you guys do here.
facilities before we show you the vehicle, but this is our new reception area.
Cool. So do you wrap, like I guess you print and wrap these walls as well then, do you?
Yeah, so we do sort of a bit of everything really, from full vehicle change, like colour change, to digital wraps, to wall vinyls, floor vinyls.
Oh, okay.
Solar films for windows.
So cover it all.
A bit of everything. If it's vinyl when it's sticky,
you do it.
We do it, yeah.
Nice.
If you like to follow
we'll have a look around.
So this is the Wrap Academy. You can come here and learn wrapping. So whether you're an individual guy that just wants to get into the industry, or whether you're a business that wants to expand, or whether you're someone that's already in the industry but you just want to brush up on the skills. You can come here, do like a training school, and then we have
just random
wheels,
body,
doors, etc. So you get used to working on.
So what's like the easier parts and then the harder parts of a car? Like if you were to do this Golf, I take it the bigger panels are more straightforward, are they?
Yeah. Obviously
the flatter
the
panel.
The panel, the easier it is. It varies from one vehicle to another.
Yeah, more curvy cars, different to an angular car. And
for instance, the rear quarter, depending on the window type, depending on what sort of rubbers they are. Let's follow through to the wrap bay.
Oh, that looks good.
Got your vehicle and another customer's vehicle worked on at the same time.
That looks awesome, doesn't it? It's a bit of a difference to the white that was once there.
Yeah.
Nah, I really like that. Yeah, that looks so good.
Once we've got the base wrap, then we'll start to
build from there. So that's where the wrap gets a little bit more exciting.
Yeah, you can start to see it come together.
So you've made a start on our nicely shaped spoiler.
Spoiler, yeah. This is one of the more difficult panels of the vehicle. With a panel like this, you can't build it up in one piece.
Yeah, I can imagine.
So you have to be.
If you were doing the whole spoiler in one, how many pieces would it take?
This one will be done in. So that's 3 sections.
Yep.
So you'll do each cap in 3 sections, and then on this one, the centre is going a different colour.
Yeah.
So
if you were doing it all in one colour, would that piece be one entire piece, or would you still?
Yeah. So that the 2 ends.
You'd do that in one. Yeah.
And
but because we're having the extra colour added in, you can split it.
Us to split that there.
So we're here with Paige, and she's just going to go over showing us how she would teach someone to wrap. We'll see how we go.
Right, first things first, pin up, nice and straight across the top. First squeegee mark, 45-degree angle. We get a nice tap on that. We're going to get our recess in, and we're going to squeegee down. Now, on this panel here, we can see this ever so slight swage line. That's where we're going to be working to.
So you just work the material down to that.
Yep.
So the whole time,
and we get the recess.
Like then you just pulled it off, because you haven't gone over that, that's not fully
We
stuck.
can still pull it off anyway, so even with this bit I've squeegeed, we can still reapply. So now we get to the recessed area, and this is where we're going to need to use the heat to help conform the vinyl into that recessed area. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop a tool in here to keep that exit open.
Okay, so that there is the line that you can see from that now.
So I'm now working
that point
this part in, and now I'm going to heat to conform the vinyl. But what I want to focus on is warming the area that I'm going to be stretching, but actually directing my heat up here. So with the grid pattern, you will actually see that these squares start to elongate. So we'll just warm that up. And I'm warming that all up. And now as I work with my glove, I start working that in.
And that's laying that bottom piece in naturally.
And that is naturally falling in with a little bit of heat just to help it conform to the edge. And then we can just remove all of that excess air
And that's why
from up there out of that exit point. If that was to close.
If you want to learn how to wrap, contact Paige about the S6 Academy. So that's it for our time here at S6 Wraps. We're going to head back and leave the guys with the car and finish it off, and then it will come back to us next week so we can finish off putting the kit on. Quite a statement, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that looks really cool. All the right bits and all the right places. Got the names, got the names.
A couple more around the other side. Transformed it from the white.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, that looks really cool.
Looks like a race car, yo.
Good colour combo, isn't it? It's just not fast.
Yet.
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 What's he moving towards? Oh.
Look at all those stickers!
Nice. So this is what a car looks like? What, with loads of stickers on it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Where'd you get it from? Halford?
What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Ash, what do you think? You wait. What do you think, Ash?
It looks alright, looks alright.
Alright.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah? Would you have one?
Not really.
No, what's that?
Well, you don't have one anyway, so.
I think it needs some more stickers. Yeah.
You've even got your
Just to
name
cover
down the
up.
side of it.
Just to cover up some, imperfections. Very nice.
Very nice. How much?
So that concludes this episode on the wrap. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Is it what you expected? We'd like to compare it to Andy's Celica, but we don't know where it is. We've been told it's being worked on, but we're just gonna have to believe him on that one. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.